Just when we thought nothing can go wrong in such a simple and straightforward condominium project,
整个 house 全部膨起来，膨胀起来。Oh my
a
god！
dramatic occurrence happened.
在第一天要开始装修的时候呢，我就发现到我客厅的很多个瓷砖都凸起来，
从这边看就非常的明显。
所以也导致我们的装修就开始延迟了。
Well, to us, we took it as a blessing in disguise. My name is Alex Lee and I am from New Infinity. Today's episode on Design Seeds, we will be sharing the transformation of this 1,100 square feet high-rise property located in Petaling Jaya. The common dilemma that most homeowners would ask themselves would be, is it worth it to spend for a condominium renovation? Or should they settle with basic finishing and just reside in till they move to a bigger place? Today's episode on Design Seed, we have the answer for you. Before we begin, if you enjoy watching contents of such, please support us by clicking on the subscribe button and turning the notification buzzer on. This would greatly encourage us to create better and better riveting contents for your viewing pleasure. Today, we're diving into an art of creating a lasting impact without breaking the bank. Stay till the end of this episode and I will be revealing how much the entire project costs. As you step into this beautiful abode, you're greeted by a mesmerizing curved archway, an inviting preview of the wonders that awaits inside. Curved elements reign supreme in the space, from the graceful arches to the curved furniture and custom ceiling curves that sets the stage for a unique and cohesive interior. The curved arc at the entrance signifies the space upon entering as the lobby of the home, creating a teaser to the rest of the open floor plan so you don't feel like once you enter, you've seen everything. The color palette of this home is a symphony of earthy tones, blending together to create a harmonious visual experience, heightening impressions with the linear fluted panel and full-height tailor-made curtains. Here's a tip for you. If you want to achieve tidy and linear looking curtains, you have to go with S-fold curtains. The standard pencil pleats and butterfly pleats will not be able to achieve such linear strips. Speaking of heightening impressions, it is a common practice in New Infinity to always take advantage of whatever natural lighting we can achieve from even just an apartment. We took into consideration on how to maximize natural lighting that spreads out into the property. The client's brief was to turn the initial open hall or suggested guest room into a walk-in wardrobe. Instead of closing up the wardrobe as a private enclosed room with walls, we suggested to design it with fluted glass sliding doors. This doesn't only enlarge the impression of space, but it also acts as a highlighted feature as you enter the property, and during the day, it allows natural lighting to penetrate into the deeper end of the condo. We also removed the existing timber door that leads to the laundry area and turn it into a fluted glass bifold door. It saves space, it allows natural lighting in, and it reduces the noise from the freeways just outside.
选这间家呢，是因为我站在客厅的时候呢，望出去看那个风景真的是非常漂亮，而且没有任何的建筑物挡着。然后这里的游泳池还有健身房是在最顶楼的，所以看到的风景也是最高最漂亮的。 当我游泳的时候呢，我的另外一半也是可以去健身房。搬进来这个新家之后呢，我很想要家里都是干干净净、整整齐齐。
At New Infinity, we take our clients' interview relatively seriously. We try our best to extract more than enough details of our clients' daily lifestyle for us to be able to curate an elevated experience for the build of their new dream home. Detailed measurements of understanding what was going to be displayed were all taken into consideration, and all wirings were designed to be hidden to ensure there was no dangling wires laying around the tabletops. The TV cabinet was designed to be larger than the length of the living area to make the entire open space feel larger in impression. This complements the living area but also incorporates smart home features tailored to the client's lifestyle.
那这个 Smart Home 呢，是可以结合跟灯光一起制造一些不同的氛围感。比如说晚上看电影的时候呢，我喜欢把窗帘关起来，然后灯光也比较暗。那 Smart Home 呢就可以做到这一点。你问我如果是家里最喜欢的一个部分，其实真的很难选。但是如果要选的话，应该是自己的房间吧，主人房。我的主人房的空间说小不小，说大也不大，但是我就跟 Alex 讲，我一定要一个 king size bed， 然后可以放到一个橱柜，还有可能可以放一个 study table。另一点我蛮注重的是，我床头后面呢，我想要一个轻奢风的设计。
The master suite is designed as a romantic getaway. Step into a master suite, a tranquil escape reminiscent of a romantic retreat with a cave-inspired design. The master suite's cave-like ambience is achieved through careful paint selection, curved ceilings, and thoughtful lightings. Lighting was carefully planned to allow for different ambience, not to create glares, and diffuse enough that it's comfortable to the eyes, yet not a struggle to live in. To achieve this cave-like approach for the master, the entire bedroom was painted in a faint clay textured paint color with the curved ceiling elements that flows down seamlessly to the headboard and curtain's linear bodyline. Even at the edge of the corridor, a full-length mirror that mimics the impression of going through a cave entrance.
其实这间家呢，我最喜欢的地方也是我的衣帽间。
Understanding the client's brief, we knew that the wardrobe space wouldn't be sufficient. We placed the daily clothings at easy access in the master bedroom, and we took one of the extra guest room and turned it into a wardrobe that every woman dreams of.
我们女人就有很多吹风筒啊，或者卷发棒啊。Alex 就设计了一个专属的橱柜，可以把吹风筒那一些东西都收在里面。这样呢，我的衣帽间呢就看起来比较整齐。另外一个我喜欢的部分呢，就是我的衣帽间的其中一个橱柜是可以把一个全身镜拉出来的。还有我的梳妆台也是有2片很大片的镜子。所以呢，我们都有自己的空间去打扮，不会打扰到对方。
Just when we thought nothing can go wrong in such a simple and straightforward condominium project, a dramatic occurrence happened. Just when we were about to start the renovation, we realized that the original floor tiles that came with the building were all hollow, and some were even popping out.
整个 tiles 全部膨起来，膨胀起来。Oh my god！ 从这边看就非常的明显。
经过很多个月的讨论，我们终于要装修了。那在第一天要开始装修的时候呢，我就发现到我客厅的很多个瓷砖都凸起来。然后当我们敲开之后呢，就发现到里面的瓷砖都是空心的。 所以也导致我们的装修就开始延迟了。
Well, to us, we took it as a blessing in disguise when the opportunity arose for us to change to timber floorboards. I personally wanted more character to the space, yet implementing a cozy touch to the home. So instead of the standard floorboard patterns, I went with the herringbone pattern. Originally, and as per most newly built developer condominiums, it was a space with off-white tiles and a mediocre kitchen chucked in thoughtlessly. The switch to herringbone timber flooring added character and warmth to the space, making it feel cozy and inviting. What was once an ordinary and uninspiring area has been transformed into a sanctuary of style and comfort.
"我自己本身呢是比较不懂颜色的搭配，尤其是在屋子的设计，很多这种小细节呢，我觉得是需要一个设计师去跟你讨论。比如说墙壁的颜色怎么可以搭配到我地板的颜色，或者是说我的橱柜的颜色可以搭配到我整间家的设计嘛。所以我觉得有找对的设计师跟没有找设计师是一个很大的分别。
This extraordinary journey through the project dignifies the art of design, where every corner holds a surprise and every detail whispers a tale of transformation. We turned this 1,100 square feet condominium that initially looked like this into an elegant and livable home for a beautiful young couple like this. Do you think we did a good job? Share your comments on the comment column below and let us know what you think. But don't get too harsh on us. The moment of truth is here. We spent a total of 280,000 ringgit for everything you see in this project, inclusive of the bespoke carpentry works and stylish furnitures. This value is fairly subjective. We often educate our clients to think of the value in terms of turning the unit to be a livable rather than just bluntly furnishing it, and realize that you should have done more. Remember, let your home be the canvas where memories are painted, because a well-designed space isn't just a space to return to. It's a sanctuary that transforms the ordinary into extraordinary, where every moment becomes a cherished memory. So here's to creating a home that's not just a destination, but an unforgettable journey. My name is Alex Lee, and I am from New Infinity. If you're new to the channel, please click on the join button and join our membership program and support us to pursue for more compelling design episodes. Until next time, if you enjoyed today's episode, please share and subscribe and support us in spreading more awareness to uplift the design scene. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week.